Hi, I'm Andy at InfoReady. I'm really pleased that you found my YouTube channel. While I've got your attention, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the future content. So one of the reasons that I use YouTube is to promote the equipment that I sell via my website at infoready.co.uk. I also include reviews of products on my channel, and I also include DIY tutorials to show how you can build them yourself. When I hit certain milestones, I also do giveaways and competitions. To ensure you don't miss out on these, make sure you subscribe now. In addition to my YouTube channel and website, you'll also find me on social media. I've got a great presence on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, so please head over to my pages now and subscribe. So finally, thanks for taking the time to listen to me today. Here's a little bit more of what I do best.